Biomass energy, its advantages and disadvantages. Introduction. A source of energy can be described as a system from which electricity can be extracted or generated. Several sources of energy are classified into either renewable or non-renewable energy. Non-renewable energy is characterized by the fact that once it is used, it cannot be regenerated easily. On the contrary, renewable energy, or rather green energy sources, can be regenerated and thus considered unlimited. Each source of energy has its advantages, disadvantages, and economic benefits that make it applicable in a particular situation. Biomass energy. An example of a green energy source is biomass energy, which has found its use and application in modern society because of its economic benefits. Biomass energy is a source of energy that involves the use of natural living matter, such as plants and animals. Production involves the use of biodegradable materials, such as municipal solid wastes, to produce energy, especially electricity, which can be easily marketed. This is mainly done using thermal conversion, a characteristic of biosphere technology that makes it the most environmentally friendly energy generation system. This energy source is substantially cheap, and therefore, it can be accessed by most people who mainly use it before conversion into electricity. Biomass energy can replace most non-renewable energies, such as petroleum products and the natural gas used for cooking. The latter sources of energy are not renewable and get depleted after use while at the same time polluting the environment. On the other hand, biomass energy is eco-friendly and can be recycled for a long time to generate energy. In addition to this, biomass can be a good substitute for paraffin and natural gas, which are mostly used for cooking since they produce the same energy. Advantages. As stated, biomass energy is cheap and accessible to most people. Biogas production involves the use of biodegradable materials, so environmental effects from waste are not so intense. Converting biomass to electricity is also cheap, and thus, companies that engage in this activity incur fewer expenses. This is because biomass is a readily available raw material. Disadvantages. Reckless use of biomass energy has environmental repercussions. The major repercussions of biomass production occur when the burning process is done incompletely, resulting in the production of large volumes of carbon dioxide, which is the primary cause of global warming. From this discussion, biomass is most appropriately used in areas with low population densities.